Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Long John Silver's Baja sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you being here from whatever platform you are joining us on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Like I said, we're going to be making Long John Silver's Baja sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got a half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of chopped jalapeno, and we've got some salt and pepper to taste. Start mixing it up. Alright, so bowl big enough for all your ingredients. And we're going to just mix them in. We got our sour cream, got our mayo, garlic powder, lime juice, chopped jalapeno, got our onion powder, we got our dill, and we have our salt and pepper. Switch out our whisk. Blend this all really well. There you go. We have got our Long John Silver Baja sauce. Let's make a taco. Those are some awesome shots. This is a beautiful taco here. I'm going to just set this out of the way, and we can see our other taco that we made right here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. See what this is like here. Let me fold it this way though. Making this with sour cream adds another layer of creaminess to it. It's rich, it's very thick too. And then you can taste that dill. There's a good amount of dill in there, and it really does add to the flavor of the garlic and the onion. If you want to make this a better sauce, of course, use fresh garlic and fresh onion and mince it really well, like we did with the jalapeno. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of hot sauce here. This is a very good sauce. Very good sauce. I would recommend it highly. Don't forget that description box has got the recipe, the link for it. Go ahead and hit that. You go right to my website and get this recipe for it. This is very good. I highly recommend it. Don't miss out.
Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing up?